as we bring in the new year, it is time for us to reset. Happy 2025, everyone. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you everything that I do kind of to reset and what I think will set you up for success in the new year. If you want to hear and watch more videos from me, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell so you don't miss another one of my videos. And let's just get straight on into my little reset for 2025. So you're probably thinking, how is journaling resetting for the new year? Well, if you don't have a journal, this is your sign to start one. I've been journaling since last year. I think it was June 2024. And ever since, I've just loved journaling. You can customize it however you want. Even if you look at someone's spread and you have them as inspo, it's still going to turn out different because you still have your personal flair that's going to add a little bit of oomph to your own spreads. A lot of people use more like composition style notebooks. I like spiral notebooks. The only problem is if you want to do like a 2-page spread, you can't easily put like a background on both. Like you would have to cut out each page. So keep that in mind. I personally like a spiral notebook. I've always have. I also like that it has like a little like closing string so that it keeps all together because it does get thick. And that's another thing, like when you have a composition one, it gets hard to close it. So at least the spiral one, it gets thick, but it's not like super hard to close. If you're not into journaling, I think this is a sign for you to start because I love it so much. You can literally do whatever you want with it. You can be as simple or as creative as you want to be. I also think if you have a journal already, this is your sign to start your 2025 section or start a new journal. I personally just want to finish this one. So I did like a 2025 journal, even though it's literally the same one I used in 2024. I think it is linked in my Amazon list also, which I link down below every single video. It's not an affiliate or anything, it's literally just a list of everything that I've mentioned in my videos, so I'll link it down below. But as far as my spreads, I started off with a letter to my future self, which actually is just a letter to like end of the year self or the start of the 2026, like next year. I always used to make letters to myself, but I would write it on my phone. I feel like writing it like on paper is a little bit more not creative, but like more personable. And you kind of see like how your handwriting has changed, how you as a person have changed. I don't know, I like it a lot. This spread, actually, I saw someone do it with like all beige paper or like brownish. I added the sunflowers because I feel like 2025 for some reason, I think the color is yellow. I don't know, I like yellow a lot, so I chose my color to be yellow, and my word of the year is live because I feel like I have nothing planned this year. I just want to live life and carry on, pretty much. That's why I chose live, just live life. Let me know if you guys choose a word or a color or whatever this year. Another spread that I'm doing is a 2025 bingo, and I'm also doing book bingo. I saw these all over TikTok, and people have been like printing out their bingo cards and putting it on their wall, and I'm like, I don't really want to do that. Then I saw someone put it in their journal, and I was like, aha, that is what I'm gonna do. So for 2025 bingo, honestly, it's just like your goals, things you want to do. Books, it's literally just like different books you want to hit, different goals you want to do. I'm using these Cali Art brush markers. Again, they will also be linked in my Amazon like list. And I'm using I think they're called Keiko 0.5 millimeter pen. Those like 3 things are my holy grails right now. I love them so much. But yes, I'm just filling it up with like random stuff of books I want to reach, a type of book, a series. If I will finish a series this year, I'm also just I'm making it black so that over the year I can like color it in with different colors. But yes, I think journaling is resetting for the new year because you got to update your journal, and you also have to if you are starting a new journal, you got to start that new journal. So there's just so much you can do. This is like me kind of junk journaling. This brown paper is actually from an Amazon package, and then the little like sunflower tortilla is from a Chipotle bag. So I junk journal a little bit. I feel like mine is a junk journal / scrapbooking mix. Like, you know what I mean? Like mine, here is an overview. You got the book bingo, you got the cover page, you got the like whatever, letter to myself. And then you have my ins and outs for 2025, and then some of my favorites. Next, we have organizing. Organizing is also like cleaning or just re-evaluating what works and what doesn't and reorganizing your life based off of that. I'm reorganizing my sticker collection. It is random, but it was necessary because I had so many stickers and I didn't know what I had because I just threw them at the bottom of this like I don't even know what it's called, like a cubby, a caddy, like a, yeah, I guess that would make sense, like a more of like a crafty caddy or whatever. I have this snack box. I got it from Target. It was like $3 and I bought it for one of my trips and then I forgot about it and I didn't use it. So I was like, this is perfect for stickers. It's like the perfect size. You can readjust the like container sizes of everything. And yeah, so I redid it. I also am watching Gossip Girl. Don't do any spoilers in the comments, please. I'm on season like 3, I think. When I'm filming this video, I was on season 2, but now currently I'm on season 3. But yeah, I'm reorganizing my stickers and I actually really like how they turned out and the organization of it all. Another thing I reorganized was my closet. I put my nail like caddy in the corner. I used to have it like next to my desk. Now it's inside. And then I reorganized my shoes and my like clothes and stuff. And then I also redid my what is it called? My bookshelf. I redid it because it was just a disaster, totally. And I had books everywhere. I have the tendency of like taking a book out to read it and then forgetting it, and then I just put it back on my bookshelf. So we reorganized it. But the lighting was really bad, so don't look at that. But I also put away all my crafty stuff because I have a shelf full of like crafty stuff. But that's like the most reorganizing I did. I didn't really have to clean too much this time. And lastly, we have planning. If you didn't watch my last video, I did a video talking about if Notion can be replaced by Xstyles. Xstyles is honestly a really good comparison, I think, or like alternative to Notion. This year I am using Notion though, just because I feel like Notion is a little bit more advanced. And a lot of people say it's really hard to understand, which it makes sense. Like, it's hard to understand. I had a hard time doing it, but I am just updating everything. I'm updating my 2025, which is where I put pictures, like a vision board kind of. And I also found a template for my reading, and it's called My Library. I got it off of Notion. Literally, I looked up books and My Library was on there. So I just customized it to how I wanted it. But I honestly really love this template because I wanted a way to like customize my books and like track all of my books for the year, because I use 2 different apps. I use Goodreads and I use Storygraph. Yeah, and I love both of them, but I also like tracking them like on my own, writing down what I feel about certain books and how I read them and stuff. So it makes it easier to like have all of the books in one place. So when I do videos like books that I'm currently reading or books that I really like or whatever, I can just look at this spreadsheet and like see what books that I read, what I rated them, my thoughts, when I read them, everything like that. And I won't have to look through Goodreads or Storygraph or whatever it is. I also like that it has like a reading challenge. I don't think I'm going to do it because the reading challenge is a little random. It has a rating system page that you could put as reading goals. My reading goal for 2025 is 30 books. And then I also looked for a finance one, like a financing spreadsheet or whatever, and I ended up not finding one that I liked. They were all like way too complex. I ended up getting an app called Good Budget though, and I'm currently really liking it. So if you want to have a budget app, you can also check out Good Budget. But yeah, Good Budget is like a lot more simple. Not sponsored or anything. I just started using it to budget my life because I like seeing how much I'm spending, how much I'm making, and like budgeting out all my transactions, and then also like how much I have left, and then how much I spend each month versus how much I made each month. And Good Budget has all of that. So look it up if you want to. And then the last thing I need to do is update my acrylic calendar. Honestly, I don't have too much going on in January other than I'm working a lot and then I start my spring semester. So honestly, I've just been working a lot on like content-based stuff. But that's everything for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Happy 2025. I hope this video helps you and motivates you to reset for the new year. Let me know what you do to reset. And also, as always, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell so you don't miss another one of my videos. And stay tuned until next Sunday's video because I promise you guys it will be an amazing one. Again, thank you so much for watching. Happy 2025. Bye, guys.